Now we are going to work a bit more on our course design. So first we'll go to course.rb. And here we are also going to validate the uniqueness of name so that there aren't two courses with the identical name in order for some course creators not to deceive some of the potential students. So let's create a validation. So validates name uniqueness. So let's see if it works. We'll try creating a new course with this name. So teach, create course. Okay. Undefined method name, of course, because we're using title. Let's try once again. We're resubmitting the form and we get this error because the title has been taken. Good. So let's create it as a course 4 and it works. Now we're going to work a bit on the design of the courses. So on top we have the name of the course, then the short description of the course, then we're going to have the rating of the course and how many students. Next we're going to put the name of the teacher right here. So we're going to course view, course HTML HAML. We're going to grab the teacher. Actually, we're going to copy the whole code. It's really good. And paste it where we have our rating. So here we're going to have our rating and quantity of users right here. And here we're going to have the course user username. Let's see how it looks. Okay, here we have the username and we are going to remove it from here. And actually we're going to remove the created date also. I don't think the users really need to see it. As well, we'll remove the language and the level. We're just going to comment it. Like this. Going to remove the name of the teacher from here. And actually we'll totally remove this whole block. Okay. But we will leave how many lessons there are. So we will add it to the same card footer as we have our enrollments count. So we will remove it from there and add it here. Like this. So we see the rating, how many students and how many tasks, and the user who created this course. Looks okay. Now let's see our all courses. So we will try signing up to a course once again. And here we have this add a review button. And we are also going to make it look a bit nicer. So we are going to our courses helper. And we are also going to add a couple of nice icons right here. So where we have add a review, we're going to make a do method. We're going to remove this add a review from here. Add it on the bottom. Let's see if it works. Of course it doesn't. We should also add an end. So it works, and we are also going to add font awesome. So for font awesome to work in our .rb files, it's going to be like this. So we are adding it into an HTML safe class. Let's see if it has changed. Okay, so unknown quantity of stars, and there is a button to add a review. Looks nice to me. And if a review was added, we are also going to have a slightly different link. So we're going to have a link to enrollment's path, do, end statement, this text, and the code will look like this. So with a check mark. Just like this. So let's try adding a review. 5 stars. Let's go to the course. And we see, thank you for reviewing. And when you press, you'll be able to see the review that you added to this course. Now we see something also confusing. So when we go to learn and purchased courses, we just see it named as courses. When we go to pending review, we also see just courses. So we are also going to add some additional name in here. And that's really easy to do. So we are going to go to our views, courses index, and here we are going to add the courses controller action name. So we will add something like this. So action name humanize and courses. So when we go to our pending review courses, we see pending review courses. In purchased, we see purchased. In my courses, we see the created courses. Okay, and we're going to do the same for enrollments. So we are taking this code with action name humanize and go to enrollments index. And going to add it here. So we have my student enrollments, or we have index enrollments. So looks not bad. But now we see that in our title of the page, we still have all courses. So we are going to just add this action name in our title, just like this, and have courses later on. So we have Corsego all courses. Let's refresh. Looks like nothing has changed. Okay, because I was doing it for the enrollments, my mistake. Anyway, let's then finish for enrollments. Let's go to teacher, my students, and we'll see enrollments here. Now let's do it for the courses. So here we'll have courses. Let's check. So my courses are created courses, purchased courses are purchased courses, pending review are pending review. And for us not to have this my courses confusion, we are going to also name it as created courses in the header. Refresh. Looks fine. So in this lesson, we just did a little bit of work on styling our application, and we added font awesome icons to our courses helper. Thank you.